Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss how to preparation SSC CGL Competitive Exam Step-by-Step Guide. To pass the SSC CGL Staff Selection Commission Combined Graduate Level exam, you need a well-structured, step-by-step approach that combines understanding the exam pattern, mastering subjects, consistent practice, and effective time management. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you succeed. Step 1. Understand the exam pattern and syllabus. The SSC CGL exam consists of 4 tiers. Tier 1. Objective type questions on general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness, quantitative aptitude, and English comprehension. Tier 2. Objective type questions covering quantitative abilities, English language and comprehension, statistics, if applicable, and general studies, finance and economics. Tier 3. Descriptive paper, essay, precise, letter writing to assess writing skills. Tier 4. Skill test, computer proficiency test, only for certain posts. Familiarize yourself with the detailed syllabus for each section and understand the weightage of each topic. Step 2. Create a realistic study plan. Plan your study schedule based on the amount of time you have until the exam date. Allocate daily, weekly study hours based on topics. Divide your preparation into phases. Start with Tier 1 basics, move to advanced topics for Tier 2, and practice writing for Tier 3. Keep weekends for revision and practice tests. Step 3. Gather quality study material. Select reliable books, online resources, and practice materials. Some recommended resources include General Intelligence and Reasoning, R.S. Agarwal's A Modern Approach to Verbal and Nonverbal Reasoning. Quantitative Aptitude, Quantitative Aptitude for Competitive Examinations by R.S. Agarwal. Quantum Cat by Sarvesh Verma. English Language, Objective General English by S.P. Bakshi. Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. General Awareness, Lucent's GK book, current affairs apps, and newspapers like The Hindu for regular updates. Step 4. Focus on strengthening each section. 1. Reasoning. Start with basic concepts, then move to practice sets. Focus on puzzles, series, and analogy-based questions. 2. Quantitative aptitude. Work on foundational math skills. Focus on arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and data interpretation. 3. English language. Improve vocabulary, practice grammar rules, and focus on comprehension skills. Read newspapers to improve your understanding and speed. 4. General awareness. Stay updated on current affairs and static GK. Make notes for important events, government schemes, history, geography, and economics. Step 5. Practice mock tests regularly. Mock tests are crucial in SSC CGL preparation. They help you familiarize yourself with the exam format and time constraints. Identify strengths and weaknesses. Boost confidence by simulating the exam experience. Start with sectional tests, then move to full-length mock tests as you progress. Analyze your performance in each test and focus on areas needing improvement. Step 6. Review and revise regularly. Revise what you've learned consistently to retain concepts. Make concise notes for each subject and refer to them during the final days before the exam. Revision should include key formulas in mathematics, vocabulary and grammar rules in English, important dates, events, and facts in general awareness in a short time frame. Focus on shortcuts and tricks for quantitative and reasoning sections. Reading and understanding English passages quickly. Attempting questions you are confident in first, then moving to more challenging ones. Step 8. Prepare for descriptive paper, Tier 3. Develop your writing skills by practicing essays, letters, and precise writing. Focus on clarity and coherence in writing, grammar and vocabulary, time management for drafting and reviewing within the exam time. Step 9. Prepare for Tier 4, skill test, computer proficiency. If applicable, practice typing and computer basics as needed for your desired post. Step 10. Stay positive and take care of your health. Maintaining a positive mindset and managing stress are essential for exam success. Regular breaks, physical activity, and adequate sleep help improve focus and productivity. Summary checklist. Understand exam pattern and syllabus. Make a study plan and stick to it. Use recommended study materials. Practice and review each section. Take regular mock tests and analyze results. Revise and memorize key concepts, formulas. Prepare for descriptive and skill tests if applicable. Stay healthy and motivated. By following these steps consistently, you'll be well prepared to pass the SSC CGL exam. Best of luck!